factor that causes the death. To relieve a defendant of criminal liability,
the only cause, he only need be a substantial factor, which it's a very telling statement. His own words. Ladies and gentlemen, the evidence in this case is overwhelming. The evidence in this case is abundantly clear that Conrad Murray acted with criminal negligence, that Conrad Murray caused the death of Michael Jackson. If he wants to say it was, he couldn't do it at the same time, then you put it on instances. Deceived, lied. This is where propofol is used, not here, not in an upstairs bedroom, without any of such necessary equipment and care. Did he check it with the pulse oximeter, but he physically checked it as well. Conrad Murray looked out for himself and himself alone. He wanted this. He chose not to keep medical records because he didn't want to document this pharmaceutical experiment he was conducting. And that is what it was. There was no precedence for this.
It is easy, in hindsight, to sit up. It tells you that it's just been so hard. And
in these instructions, please be sure to listen carefully.
This is not about money. It's about liberty. And for a crime to be proved, drip than what Dr. Murray gave Michael Jackson absolutely would not have harmed him without an unusual and intervening circumstance. They want you to convict Dr. Murray for the actions of Michael Jackson. They just don't want to tell you that. It takes 2 months for him to talk to the police. She just conveniently remembered. I want you to remember a drug, not a controlled substance.
But there's a list of doctors that said no, because that would be dangerous and harmful. And there's one doctor that said yes. For $150,000 a month, yes.
Do not form or express an opinion about the issues in this case unless you are substituted for
anyone else to speak to them upon any subject connected with this case, except by order of the court.
Remember he showed this IV